Hi, I want to introduce you to my family. It is my family. In my family there are 3 people. They are my wife and my son and me. My wife is beautiful. Her name is Adriana. My son is little baby. His name is Daniel. My wife is 24 years old and my son is 2 years old. My wife is hotel and tourism management and my baby is a student in the kindergarten. He is a little student. My wife is from Bogota, Colombia. My son is from Bogota, Colombia, and me too. My wife is pretty and smooth. Her hair is long black hair, and your skin is white. I love my wife. My baby is small and pretty. His eyes are black and his hair is black like your mother. To my son likes the cars so much. My family is short, but in my family we are very united and very happy. Bye.